How to do a tourniquet conversion. Okay, now we did all the things in March, and when we reassessed the wound, we found out it's just a minor flesh wound. So now there's a decision to be made. Are we gonna convert the tourniquet? Are we gonna let the tourniquet to be converted by a medic and let him endure the pain? You want the pain?
Yep, why not?
Okay, now. We're gonna decide that we're gonna convert the tourniquet. I could use my scissor right now and cut away off his pants that he bought himself, but I'm gonna be a good guy, not gonna do this. First, I'm gonna do a small power ball with the combat gauze. Find the wound, find the deepest part, and start packing it in. Buddy, you're okay? You're gonna be good. You're gonna be one man hopping, but you're gonna be good. Okay, you're gonna help me right now. You're gonna hold pressure here, okay, brother? Hold pressure here for at least 3 minutes because it says on the label. Hold pressure here. I'm taking out your Israeli bandage. I like it that it's up to date. Okay, just remove a bit. Good, good, good. I have it. Okay, help me, hold it, brother. Feel good? Okay, we are converting the tourniquet because our patient is not in shock. We can monitor the wound, and also the tourniquet is not controlling an amputation, which is pretty much redundant. How to release the tourniquet? There are multiple ways how to skin this cat. Some people say that we remove the windlass a quarter turn by minute. Okay, some like to do that. The way I teach it is just to release it all together and then check if it starts bleeding. Okay. Get flow. I'm removing his shoes so I can check his pulse, so I didn't do a really nice tourniquet, a comfy one. Nice. Feel good? Okay. I don't, it stinks. Remove the tourniquet just a bit, and we try to put it 2 to 3 inches above the wound. So if it starts bleeding again, we have the means to stop the bleeding again. Just make sure we're not putting it directly on the knee. Good. When this is off. You feel great, brother?
Yeah, right.
Any dizziness?
Nope.
Conversion of a tourniquet should be done no later than 2 hours from the point of injury. That's pretty much how you do it. You note it on the TCCC card, and that's it. He's a happy camper.